equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on adjusting video settings for the HP Victus 16. In this guide, we will walk you through the essential steps to enhance your visual experience. Let's dive in. First, ensure you have the right tools at hand. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a soft cloth for cleaning, and a can of compressed air. These tools will help you access the internal components safely and effectively. Begin by powering off your HP Victus 16 and unplugging it from the power source. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any damage to the device. Once it's off, flip the laptop over to access the screws on the back panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. With the screws removed, gently lift the back panel. This will expose the internal components of your laptop. Here, you can see the cooling fans and the graphics card. It's important to keep these areas clean to ensure optimal performance. Use the compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain the airflow and prevent overheating. Now, let's focus on adjusting the video settings. Power on your laptop and navigate to the display settings. Right-click on the desktop and select Display Settings. Here, you can adjust the resolution and scaling options. For gaming, it's recommended to set the resolution to the native display setting for the best clarity. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. Next, let's adjust the refresh rate. In the display settings, scroll down to Advanced Display Settings. Here, you can select the refresh rate that suits your needs. A higher refresh rate can provide a smoother experience, especially in fast-paced games. After adjusting the display settings, let's move on to the graphics settings. Open the Graphics Control Panel, which can usually be found in the System tray or by searching in the Start menu. Here, you can tweak various settings such as texture quality, anti-aliasing, and V-Sync. Adjust these settings based on your preferences and the capabilities of your HP Victus 16. Remember, if you're unsure about any of these adjustments, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help you find the best settings tailored to your usage. Once you've made your adjustments, it's a good idea to test them out. Launch a game or video to see how the changes affect performance. If you notice any issues, you can always revert back to the original settings. Finally, don't forget to reattach the back panel of your laptop. Align it carefully and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. This ensures that your HP Victus 16 remains protected and functions optimally. In summary, adjusting the video settings on your HP Victus 16 can significantly enhance your experience. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can achieve the perfect setup. And remember, we offer a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect if you need assistance. Happy gaming! Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.